thank you for everyone to join the seminar. It's a joint effort between A3D3 Institute in UW and also the NATEA Seattle chapter. And we are glad to invite Dr. Hu to share his 10-year journey leading the H.I.T community, building this cross-disciplinary AI network, over 700 members, and organizing more than 900 collaborative learning events, and established 4 global chapters. This is a really wonderful and impressive accomplishment. We would like to learn from Dr. Hu's experiences for the community building between the academic industry partnership and be greater than what it was defined earlier. Welcome, Dr. Hu.
Yeah, thank you. It's very great to share our community, and it's also great to join this event to sharing. And today we will share our AI innovation result, and also empower technology and startup. There's some project I'm prepare for you guys. And if some project want to cooperate with us or join us, I think we can do together. And in the future, also share each other. Maybe invite you guys go to H.I.T and share something good idea. Yeah. So that's what the hoster talk about H.I.T. In fact, we already built up 10 years, more than 10 years, and totally network 700 members, and also get a lot of hundreds learning events. Yeah, and not just for the events, we also publish a lot of paper, peer review paper, more than 30 paper. And also we want that all the paper become commercialized. So we cooperate 6 AI startups, help to go together, commercialize all the project. So even not just the academic discussion, and also we cooperate with Google, NVIDIA, together go to the market. So all the vision in my AI community is for co-create and digital inclusion. So this is our value. In fact, for this AI community is want to solve a lot of people have the job, but they don't have time to learn from AI. So we create online meeting after job. We can discuss each other and share each other. And also we are talking about the co-create. We will let doctor and the engineering together to sharing and discussing about the innovation. So that's why we have so many innovation. And the full operational model, I also want to share you guys how do we create H.I.T community. There are 4 key operation model. Well, firstly, we use the AI study group, go together online meeting, and together discussing innovation idea and the journal paper. Second, we also invite international mentors help to consulting some innovation AI technology globally. And the third one, we also not just publish paper, also go together, join to some government project or cooperate with local in Taiwan hospital. So in fact, we already cooperate with more than 10 hospitals in Taiwan together do a lot of AI job. And the fourth one, in fact, we also not just the paper, also go to market connection with startup and the big company. So this is our four cooperation team model in this AI community. And from H.I.T, we found in 2015, and originally we are doing the biomedical innovation hackathons and bio design workshops. And firstly, we want to co-create by cross-field together, then become innovation. But not just, but if we just host big event, it will be not very benefit for every member. So finally, we changed to some AI study group, and the people get more and more people together to join us. And until 2023, we already get a lot of AI application competition in Taiwan award, and also that just this year we external become 50 project and six core technology in generative AI, and join NVIDIA Inception program, get more AI competition award. So we find the successful model keep going doing that, and until this year we already joined Microsoft Accelerator program and become the partner together, go into hospital in Taiwan and collaborate with TAIA. Yeah, I also want to mention about TAIA, Taiwan Artificial Intelligence Association, because how we scale up, we also collaborate with this AI association and get more network together, and until now become stronger and stronger. So it's very, very thankful TIA, and now I'm also the leader of technology division of TIA association. Yeah. Okay. So just narrow down 3 services. One is co-create for AI technology. The third one, publish journal paper. The second one, publish paper, and the third one is medical AI for global market connection. Yeah, and our AI talent accelerator program, we want to train 100 AI talents within 1 year, every year. Yeah, so we use by 1 week 10 tech discussion forums. I know that we have to spend a lot of time discussing different technologies. So weekly, we have 10 tech discussion forums. If you guys have time, want to join, we're very glad to invite you guys together. There are so many technology we are discussing. One is multi-agent AI technology. The second is knowledge graph and warning system. Third one is 3D image SAM and generated AI, generated 3D image, and also robotic reverse learning and the LLM foundation model technology. And not just the medical field, we also go to financial investor AI agent. We also build up the multi AI agent for financial investor, and more academic one is quantum machine learning. We this year we collaborate with Harvard researcher successfully published one paper, and also multi-model physical signal generated. Okay, so there are so many group program comes up a lot of project. Yeah, so that's why we can train a lot of AI talent, and so many talent also go get their some good job or especially academic get their master degree or PhD degree. Yeah. So totally we have for those so many technology, we separate two key technology. One is AI agent system. This is for commercial conversation multi-agent system and the application in chronic disease and the dementia cares, and also for report generation. Second one is 3D medical modeling, and we are doing the social planning, surgical planning, and also precise medical assistance, and multi-model RH for KM grade. Yeah. So we also collaborate with TIA for online workshop. There are 216 members in 3 months, and a very successful workshop, so that our H.I.T becomes scale up. Yeah. Okay.
Sorry,
yeah.
Hsiang-Wei, could we ask question now, or we should wait until the end of your talk?
Maybe you can ask now, because I just yeah.
Oh, could you go to a previous page?
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Could you say a bit more about the synergy between AI agent and 3D medical image technology?
Yes. I will introduce a lot of project. Yeah. I will introduce more project. Tell about AI agent and also 3D image. Yeah.
Okay, I should be patient. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. Yeah. That's what I next will show about the showcase project and the achievement. Yeah. The firstly, we are talking about some technology. Some technology like the any-to-any model, like the different encoder, image, audio, video, and project to LLM, and use the diffusion model project out. So we will build. We can build out some multi-model. So I will share some real case for everyone. Yeah. So, and also knowledge graph LLM model combined with RIG and graph, knowledge graph used in bioinformatics field. So some kind of gene recipe. They also have to discuss about this disease gene and this different protein. They can use the knowledge graph and use the LLM combined knowledge graph to QA together. Yeah. So in fact, we use this knowledge graph technology in the chronic disease management, and improve 21.3%. We are testing 2,200 QA data, and to check the KG and the not KG. So we can find some professional information can be QA can be found by knowledge graph. So that's why we can use knowledge graph RG and improve the project. And also multi-model for the food recognition. We use the 5,000 recorded fraud recognition, use the multi-model training, and also improve the accuracy. Yeah, and so it is the AnyGPT. We are doing multi-model training for picture and food recognition. And this one is about like the multi-agent. We let LM become the doctor and the nurse and the feedback for the report QA data set, and then improve the professional and the legality feedback for the AI, and we can find increase percentage. They already have 14.29 percentage, and this result also published in IEEE conference and the AMIA. This is the American medical field AI field for conference, and all we just talk about all the innovation for knowledge graph, multi-agent, and also multi-model. We take together, build up in NVIDIA GPU together, and also inference powered by JSON array. So this year, we let the all together in the JSON array and publish in NVIDIA GTC. Yeah, so we can use the AI agent. Now, in fact, we also can use the MCP to control different part. When we get different data in the QA question, the AI agent can select the good solution to help get the accurate result. So like a LLM AI agent, maybe we can if there's some drug or gene data for user querying, you can do the search for knowledge graph. If there's some food image, and we can use the AI agent to do the VLM to find which one find the VLM to show up the result. And finally, if we do the report generation, we can create the LM as doctor and LM as nurse together, and go the more option feedback. Yeah. So this is our publish in NVIDIA GTC, doing the all the technology take into GPU together. And the more interesting project is about report generation. And this project not just report generation, we can create the AI become the LLM engineer and also PhD student. So this is we get the project from we clone the project from the other open source and modify it become the platform. So this multi-agent can generate the journal automatically. Yeah. So like the LM become the PhD student and postdoc and discuss about the lecture review and create the plan and get the data from internet do by their experience and get the result and write the journal paper. Finally, there are job paper. So there are demo for us. We can see it. Okay. Some kind of this. Firstly, we can set up your parameter, set up the topic, and also your file the papers in the Nature review you want to do, and also you can save all the research stage and get the primary drive data and keep going your research. Yeah, so you can see, beginning the Nature review, and also there are so many paper and become summary and discussion. Yeah, because time limits, I quickly show up the process. Yeah. So some kind of this is try to coding. In fact, find the paper review and get idea is very fast, but the coding will be a lot of error. So let me know if we combine by coding, it will be very perfect. But now it's just for the original coding. And in fact, we use the free API, Gemini API. So the coding is very not good. If we use cloud code, it will be very quickly. Yeah. So some coding error. Yeah. So finally get the report. Yeah. Get the paper. Yeah. I know the paper is not very good, but if we can use this multi-agent by AI and quickly get the draft, so that our research or AI innovation will be more quickly. Yeah. So this also multi-agent showcase. And the other interesting paper we publish is about EEG. EEG is for the open vocabulary Chinese text align with EEG and by large LLM learning from Chinese EEG. This is the firstly we use a traditional Chinese from brainwaves. So it's shared by Penn Scientific in Taiwan. Yeah, so it become a lot of people very interesting. Wow, EEG can change to Chinese word. We use the contrast learning for the EEG data and then word data together. So you can see this architecture. This is the large model, language model, and the EEG encoded together, and training the model. This is the multi-model we are training, and become when we input the EEG encode, EEG data, and we can get the traditional Chinese word. Yeah, so this is also the other very interesting project. And the third one is also published paper about the quantum generative model for image generation. You can see this is the UNet for diffusion model, and the bottleneck we change to the quantum layer, and want to see does it can get the result by very less data. In fact, for the image, we just use not more than 100 picture. I think the AT data, yeah, AT data for image data for this training. So for classical AI, the training is not very good, but for the quantum training, it's better. So you can see this one is 9. We can see the 9, the 9 digital 9. For quantum diffusion model is very similar, more similar than 9. But for the classical diffusion model is very not clearly. So it's also the successful about the quantum layer. We want to use the quantum machine learning implement to image generation. Yeah. So in fact, we are keeping find good journal to publish. We are do this for archive and become open source for everyone. Yeah. So there's 3 I just introduced about the multi-model project, and the second one is 3D image analysis or 2D image analysis and the synthesis. Yeah, so let's I keep going to share with you guys. And this is for medical image report generation system. And we can see when we put different image and also prompt like the get the detailed report and by the VLM, and we can get the traditional Chinese word medical image report generation. So this is architecture. We are doing a word, like word is a prompt, and also input different image. And you can see we can input different model. It becomes multi-model data like a CT, MRI, and also X-ray, different kind of image inside, and also work together and become the structure report. And this process will use the TensorRT software accelerate inference time by A times. Yeah. So this is a demo. Yeah. Left one, there are no not for the fine tune. The right one, we after fine tune it, we can find the structure report inside. Yeah, so this part we successfully for fine tune medical report inside. Yeah. And in fact, we also published the NVIDIA GTC this year, and also all of the architecture inside here. We also the foundation model we use is lava made, and also compare with the fine tune lava made or made lava, and you can see the VQA accurate classification is more than the other one. And just we talk about we use NVIDIA GPU and the accessibility speed up 8 times. Yeah. So it just we use the V100 GPS 32 32 GB VRAM each for each training model. Yeah, so this is report generation system. So this is the World Foundation model. We know this in this year the World Foundation and the physical AI is very popular. So we also shift to some kind of the research. This one is the text to 3D, and we know text to 3D. There are two key technology. One is text to image model. It's used the diffusion model. We have to know the different view about the 2D image, and the different 2D image become the 3D image. We can use NRF or 3D GS. So this is the text to 3D model mechanism. And our member also already done that about text to 3D. This is a hamburger, and the red one is image to 3D. We just take picture for the this picture and become the 3D. Yeah, this image to 3D, and the left one is text to 3D. So some kind of this also we just give the prompt a red shark, and so that you can see the 3D model. Yeah, so some kind of this use the shape E model for 3D generation. And also we use the NVIDIA Cosmos. Yeah, it is a multi-model. We can input image or video, and there's the architecture, multi-model architecture, and the text for prompt, so that we can get the video. This is for word foundation model because different prompt and the picture and build up the different result, and all the video can be trained by the robotic. So we also, so this is robotic, yeah, and get one things put in this plan. So but it's not very successful. Next we will fine tune our customers, but we can know we just use the prompt and let the image move up and become the training data. So this one customers we want to do that, but we also want to operate optimization about the NVIDIA Cosmos. Yeah, and this one is we use the MCP by cloud API to the Blender, the 3D framework, and you can see we just use the prompt and also give the picture. The Blender can see the picture and the prompt and know what we want to do. So this is the other method about how to get the 3D model for word foundation model. Yeah. So we can see, oh, we know there are some something we have to do. Yeah. You can see we can get a row and also different color. And in fact, I can show you these two picture that is we give the model these two pictures. So they recognize these two pictures and describes the detail. The detail word become the 3D model. Yeah. So you can see, well, we don't need to use we don't need to modify one by one. We can use AI to automatically to become the 3D model. Yeah, so you can see like this. Not very good, but it very save a lot of time for 3D engineering. And this is a prototype, and finally they can do their different 3D model. Yeah. And also Isaac NVIDIA will also create this one by one of the member. And this is you know the Isaac is for simulation physical movement for robotic. So it will be do the ominous inside and also get the word foundation model inside. So it can be the robotic model, environment model, and the 3D assets. And finally, you can use the Python and the ROS robotic system together to simulate robotic AI. Yes. So this one is our member doing. Yeah. This robotic we can design we can give the parameter for different role, and you can see sorry, yeah, different angle. Change different angle, and it can be simulated. Yeah, so this is the simulation for physical. They give different angle, and it can move on. So for the world foundation model, the first thing you can build out the 3D image, and the second you have to give the physical parameter and become the world model movement. So it also, in the future, we are doing the robotic AI for training model and also world model. Yeah. And for the medical field, we can find, in fact, we also publish in NVIDIA GDC for soldier field. For soldier field, firstly, also we have to give the medical recording by VLM and get the instruction and description, and we can let AI give the task, the soldier task, the strategy how to do the soldier, and use the 3D generation and for the simulation surgery work to see which one is perfect for the surgery. So like we just showed that word become the 3D image, and also the 3D image can be like a refine tune for the AI technology. So this is the architecture, the flow chart for the this medical in surgery field. We are published in NVIDIA GCC. Yeah. And also this is robotic. In fact, the Cosmos, I just supplement about the Cosmos. We not just take picture, even we can create something we don't have the picture, like this duck. This we can give the prompt, duckling move and make a small hand ties. So you can see this duck. We don't have the image, but in Cosmos know what is duck and how they doing. So it is very interesting about if we want to image about some situation. We can also use the Cosmos get different situation for simulation. So when you get this video, we also can training data for robotic. So this is the process about the robotic sensing module, control module, and the executive module for robotic arm. Yeah. And in fact, we also cooperate for professor. They are master student doing the robotic dog, and it just 3D print and self-built for the robotic, and you can use the different hand recognition and that the robotic movement. But there are some power consumption problems, so it cannot be worked. But something we know the leg movement. It can following by your hand recognition. Yeah. So this is a AI hand recognition to control robotic dog. This is keep going project. We want to build out the robotic dog by ourselves. Yeah. So yeah, so that's all our research project we are sharing, and we achieved a lot of award achievement. And just this year we get the gold medal for innovation, and there are so many competition award just this year, and all the product we are now commercialized by cooperate with hospital, and also get more product collaboration chance and collaborate with different startups. So the next I will sharing with three AI startups. We application all the project technology into commercialize and become the product together go into market. Yeah. So this is our our award. Yeah, just show it. And also we collaborate with TIA association doing the open source hub. This is open source hub. We want to promote AI talent, AI good open source project can be shared with each other. So we also have this open community project. Yeah. So next we can move on. We want to talk about we not just for the paper, publish paper, and also achieve and collaborate with startup. Yeah. So firstly, in fact, this acquisition is I'm the co-founder already 8 years, and keep use the by H.I.T community publish a lot of paper and also create some project. Yeah, some kind of this is chronic disease, health, remote care, and we can personalized information created by LLM, and the feedback is good status and become the different summary report generation. And this is a light chart bar. We have a light chart bar with AI, and this can be used by the patient. So this is AIoT physical AI solution. This physical AI not because the physical AI not just for 3D image. In fact, physical AI is also for sensor IoT data and do the monitoring system. So this is built out the AIoT because in fact for hardware solution AIoT is built out by startup, but for AI model about the LLM model is built out by our AI community. Yeah, so this also system integration, and we do the telehealth and smart hospital and hemodialysis center together to do the remote monitoring. And all the website inside it become real-time QA and personalized health management. And we can build out the health education report generation. This is the it's very quickly to do the introduce. The firstly, we can do a personalized style suggestion for every day, and also healthcare education summary in this report. Yeah, because we connect with the hospital data and get used by LLM technology and get the report summary. Yeah, and this one is when the patient collaborate, we use the light chart bar, we can get the conversation record by different conversation. Yeah, so different conversation, we also can use the LLM become the summary, so the nurse can keep quickly to see the record about patient with AI interaction. And this one is traditional AI. We know the classification and the nominality prediction model can become some feature importance. So by the feature importance, we can explain why AI predict it will be the problem or not. Yeah, so we also use the LLM to help the classification model to explain, say that the possible cause and also suggestion solution. Yeah, and finally for the report, we just show the physical AI. We can get a lot of sensor data and also the interaction and also personalized information become the report generation. Yeah, so this is the for the all the summary about the long-term care. We can know each other and to know what the problem is and what the care plan is, and we can change by when they after like the 3 months ago and go back, and we can use the AI summary all the physical physiology data and also conversation with AI data, and become the summary report and do the next cycle. Yeah, so this is all the management plan for it. And in that inside, we also can do like we just talk about the different AI technology. Yeah, inside this system. Yeah. So we cover with the medical center and prove the reduction risk compliance, and also get more 20% increase in healthcare professionals job. Yeah. And this is this model, like the monthly subscript 20 amount, just $20 1 month, and also maintenance fee for different fields. So in fact, we are already collaborate 3 hospitals in Taiwan, and we are searching for different hospitals together to do the marketing strategy. Yeah. And this is all the marketing in a chronic disease. We can use this system, the marketing. Yeah. So in fact, for AccuSense already almost 8 years, and already get a pre-A round. In the future, they are also want get more money for commercialize globally for their product. Yeah. Okay, this one of the startup. The second one we collaborate startup is for AI ESG. In fact, this is for report generation. This startup is spin out from our AI community. Our community key member, he want to become a startup, so we support him. One of competition project is is collaborate with the TIA competition project and become the startup. So this is the case, good case for us. Our AI community can create the startup for the list. Yeah. And this is the ESG report generation. And now, not just the ESG, we can do general report generation. Yeah. So for this part, you can see there are different items. This different item is become different agent. We can define different agent for prompt engineering inside. And when we upload the data, it can automatically become the report. And I know the process is very similar ChatGPT, but the ChatGPT, the template is not very clear. So you can see this website build out the template for the report generation, and also for the optimize or modify the already generated report in different part, so that you can give the prompt to report it, and also use the QA doc. So I can quickly show the demo, and in fact it can support English. And firstly, we are showing about the assistant QA report generation, and you can see just upload the PDF, and we can get the report and confirm the structure and become the report generation. And not just this, when we get report complete, we can get the all the summary, and all the report detail. If we find the detail is not good, we can give the optimize feedback and get it successfully to change the report. Yeah. So this is the report generation. In fact, the next we also want to combine the physical AI because by coding like we get the different spec document, and we can create a spec document and become the right coding from engineering. Yeah, so that's why we are doing that. And in fact, you can see there's so many competition. In fact, is from AI community, and the CEO help AI community get a lot of AI competition award, and finally become startup. Yeah. So there's also competitor. We are doing that. Yeah. Okay, so the next is AI Sleep Museum, and this one is the AI agent. Also, like the physical AI, we get the Apple Watch sensor data, and use the iOS to do the app. And we use the foundation model for music generation foundation model, and get the and when we know your heart rate, we can see your result about sleep. And if a good result for sleep, we will keep going for this music. But if we get a very worse sleep result, we will change the music, and that keep do the cross feedback for your this sleep. Yeah. So this all smart music feature use this AI agent and AI music generation and data preprocessing. And this is all AI app for sleep information, sleep analyze, and personalized daily, and analyze result. And so this is our app. So firstly, we can listen the sleep image, sleep music, and when we after listen, we can get the result about the sleep quality, and also know how your sleep is, and yeah, it's very detailed about your sleep, and also get heart rate from wearable device, and this is also for QA chatbot for sleep problem. You can use this app to do this. Yeah. And in fact, for this project, already some investors want to cooperate with each other. And this is a very popular topic about sleep. And we use the AI music to do the cross feedback personalized AI music. Yeah. So this is our solution market want to cooperate with. In fact, this solution not just for hospital, it can be everyone have some sleep problem can be used. Yeah. Okay, so finally, I think it's not. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So finally, I just want to sharing about so many projects. In fact, we can cooperate with each other, and maybe we join the research published paper, or join our startup engage. Because sometimes our member cannot go to America, but if American people want do the stuff, I think there are some project we can cooperate with each other, and build our startup, and get some VC. And also just we quickly join the study group and publish paper. And also we can share invite some professional professor or senior engineering go to H.I.T sharing. Yeah, so now we already have 15 key members to manage all the platform. So it's very exciting about in the future collaborate with the NATEA. Yeah, and maybe we also have like 5th global chapter for in Seattle by NATEA. Yeah, this also is one of the chance to get together to build up the global network for AI published paper. Yeah, and also startup. Yeah, so this is my line, and we can if in fact, I also joined the Seattle NATA online group. So if someone want to collaborate with me, you guys can just join my line, and we can get into the AI community. Yeah. So does there some question? Yeah. Maybe there's some discussion.
Thank you,
Hi.
Hsiang-Wei. Well, this is really a lot of the accomplishment, in particular academic papers, and from your H.I.T community. And
Yeah.
good. So let's open up for Q&A, and someone just speak.
Hi, Professor Shi. Thanks a lot for hosting this. CT from Poland. So I have a very quick question for Dr. Hu. Since you say you have you will have a branch in Texas, are you coming to Dallas next week?
No.
Is
No.
there anyone from HIT coming to Dallas?
Oh, maybe you can send me the event. I can ask someone to go to. In fact, we have one of member Don already in Seattle, and
Okay.
yeah. So you can just send the event, and I can ask someone. Does there someone can go to it? Yeah.
Okay. So I would love to connect.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Yeah. So
I have quite a few questions, but I'll just wait for others to ask first.
No, it's okay. Go ahead, CT.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. So this is very amazing. I would say, really great that I see all this really great research outcome here.
Yeah. Thank you.
I do have a few questions here. So one is the right now it's more like a agentic AI era, and you are and at the same time in the edge computing, like in the sensor side, there will be also a lot of machine learning still going on, like the classification you just mentioned. So how would you expect that the communication in between the generative AI with this classic machine learning or like edge computing? Are you expecting them to maybe use like Jackson as a major platform for this kind of distributed computing?
Okay. I just sharing about the ArcuSense using. In fact, it's like you said, the traditional machine learning AI and combined with the LLM edge computing. We can use like I just demo that. Sorry. This integrated platform about like this. This is why I combine with the traditional machine learning and LLM. The traditional and machine learning can predict and get the feature importance, and the LLM can explain the why we'll do that, and combine with each other, and all the design can put into the GPU computation, and so that like the application I know it can combine with each other and just put the edge computing. Yeah, so we also find that not just this, also for the image recognition, yeah, image. Let me see. For image recognition, like a bounding box, we find that if we use VLM for object detection, it's not very accurate. So some kind of this product, also we also use the NVIDIA GPU and go into for the image recognition, and we can find it. If we want to do the object detection, we can use the Euro or some ResNet for segmentation. And when it get the result, we also can use the report generation for the reasoning or some explanation. It will be perfect combination for the application, because if we just use the LLM model for object detection, we find that it will be wrong, because for AI VLM, we will put it become different page. So some location is not very clear for VLM, but for traditional model for object detection, it already accurate more than 95% percentage. So if we combine with each other, it will be perfect solution for the AI model. So it is application for traditional machine learning combined with the LLM, and we can put inside to GPU. Like we just said, that RAM a lot, like the 32 GB or 16 GB for NVIDIA Jetson Orange GPU. You can put inside together and become the edge computing. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
May I ask you a question about the 100 talent?
Yeah.
What's the background of these talented people and start with, and what's the skill set you are aiming to train on?
Yeah. Okay. About the talent, this way we are, in fact, I'm doing this accelerator program is for free, so every background can be go inside, and a lot of background is one. In fact, they are not AI. The health of background, they are not AI talent, but they want to learn from AI. So they want sometimes we know not AI background is very hard to get the research inside, do a lot of work. But we are doing the sharing with the paper. In fact, now we just use the ChatGPT or Notebook LM can become the quickly to know the paper, how to read the paper. So they can use the Notebook LM or ChatGPT to help us to know some paper result. And by this no AI background also can quickly to know some background insight. For example, I think Eddie is our one of important member. He is not AI background, but after 1 year already learned a lot from himself. I can invite Eddie for sharing for he's one of 100 AI talent. Yeah. So Eddie,
allow me to clarify my question. So what are people's original background? Are they professional in hospital, in nursing?
Yeah.
And they are looking for being trained to learn the AI skills. So I'm just curious about who are the target of those talents you try to attract from.
Yeah. In fact, because I just told that we are co-creation combination, so we are not just target one of the background. We target for engineering, hospital professional, and also marketing background. So more diverse is more good, because more diverse will create more good idea. And I know there are some hard technology, very hard for the non-AI background. So I just explain, if it's not AI background, how do they cooperate with us? So for example, AD Lin now online, he is the marketing background. He very interesting about AI marketing and also AI research. So we will not define who the background is. We will define about what he want to do. Like the AD want to help us our project become the commercialized. So we will put to the good what they want and the position. And in fact, a lot of people want to go this commercialized, but this community is want to learn something. It's not can be from the job. So sometimes some member not AI background, but after 1 year they successfully changed to the AI background. A lot of member sometimes this and get the like the master degree or PhD degree and become more professional for the AI. So we are target not just one background. We are target all different background, and the different background can be the different position inside for a community. So like the marketing background help us to do the marketing and commercialize. And like we are doing the competition, they are thinking about the commercialize, doing the slides, and so that. And the AI background, in fact, they want to do very hard technology, very interesting technology, so that the quantum machine learning or multimodal physical generation machine learning, it can also let the senior AI engineering go together and do the project. And if a medical physician, because they are very busy, so they always share paper or share idea with us, and finally there will be some good project. For example, Zhongrong Hospital, I'm become the consultant with them, because their senior leader inside and listen one by one our class, and invite us to collaborate with them. So some in hospital physical, they can learn information by our AI association and also cooperate with us. So a lot of data will become give our data and give our idea together, and we can more smoothly discuss about the new idea. Yeah.
So it's more like if we have a academic research and we present, and in your community, there will be people thinking about, oh, how a part of this can potentially be monetized. Is that right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
You can think about some topic, and we can define which topic will in which subgroup. And inside, I just tell them we have the 15 leaders. I have 15 leaders. They can organize the meeting and also find the member resource go together. Yeah, I just see one of member just asked this question: who is the 15 member leaders? In fact, the background is very diverse, but I find that the PM background is very good for the different group leader. Yeah, so that's the mechanism. We can hold different so many people together, and we also have a very good leader key person together to help to host the meeting and doing the project. Yeah, project leader. Yeah.
Great. Thank you for sharing. Are there other questions?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Dr. Hu, is this this program? We can also sign up for this program, right? Can we?
Yeah, you
I'm
say.
very interested as well. So
Thank you very much. Yeah, it's very appreciate a lot of some if something we can go together to collaborate some if you have some idea we can so to thinking about what the member are interesting and to go together to create it. So just
yeah,
join my line. I will give
yeah,
the brief introduce in the line group. Yeah, well, I know we have Seattle NATEA there have the NATEA there have the 100 people line
yeah.
group. I can share something inside. Yeah.
You can
Okay.
call it NATEA. So
Oh,
you can call it
NATEA.
NATEA.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Thanks so much. And I do have one more question regarding the quantum computing part.
Okay.
Since you just mentioned that the quantum computing is showing better generation results, so what's the protocol you are using in between the AI with this quantum computing? Because quantum computing is not like it's very different in
Yeah.
terms of
Yeah. Okay.
interface.
Okay, so the let me see. In fact, quantum computing, we collaborate with the Harvard Research, and so they, in fact, I'm also the new one to know quantum computing. So but I can help to create some idea and also some detail. In the quantum computing, I know there is very different coding from the AI. So we use this, in fact, by some tool for open source tool and combine with some function. So like this paper, you can see this architecture. We just put this one become the content layer. So like we define the qubit, how much qubit inside, and also the algorithm processing inside, and doing the VQC there. There are something coding already. In fact, we also take for the code generation. The code generation can be help you do the architecture. Yeah, and by coding. In fact, for by coding in content also work sometimes. And in fact, for this, we are a lot of members new one, but the Harvard researcher is the professional. So we are doing the prototype and help the Harvard research help to modify, become the final sample code, and we are doing the text result and get some result inside. Yeah, so there are some ready open source code we can use, and if you interesting, we maybe you can join the study group. We can share some some open source code with you. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Thanks. So does any question?
Sorry, so can I speaking?
Yes,
Yeah.
please go ahead.
Yeah.
Because some people esteemed professor want to ask him about the background of our people, how to join the community. So because my name is 80, so I want to brief to support his question to get some idea for content for everyone to know how we're going to run the community. So basically we the background for me is commercial and marketing background. Then I've been joining for H.I.T for more than 1.5 years. So the reason I joined H.I.T because I want to learn the AI technology. That's the fundamental things I want to before I joined H.I.T. So now after the 1 year, I think I have increasing my knowledge and also that will help me into my job. Then if I want to go to the market or find another career path, then I can use this one to become my side project to my creditors into the market. So that's the values. Then I think the PowerPoint the slide has mentioned that some member that if you want to spin off from their projects, they want to open a company by themselves, they can able to do that. So we are very flexible. So depend on how the things you want to achieve in your futures. Because we can see the market is diverse, then change very quickly. Then you can see the one of people, one company become very popular. You need to have all the technical skills by yourself. So we provide this environment to the people. If you want to learn, then the people is here, and we welcome everyone to join. So, but I think the question is here because most of them we are meeting after we are finished the project. So, according to the daylight saving in the US, maybe you are in the morning time. So I think that's one of the questions that you can be considering that if your car is available, then we can and what subgroup you are interested in them, then we can separate us to the one of the group you are interested in. Then we can see that how to co-working for your project in H.I.T. Yeah. So that's the value and the path we introduce to everyone. So yeah, so we are not a funding company, and we have lots of the support, but we get to join the competition in Taiwan or maybe in the world. For this year, I joined the Berkeley no course. Then we joined the entrepreneurs competition. Then we hope that finally we get maybe we have like 438 projects in that come from different countries. And our result is we have secured 780 seats. We have a receipt for the NVIDIA medal from now on. So we still keep going now. So yeah. So that's why we not only limit in Taiwan competition, and we also explore the other competition around the world. That's basically our community's working in there. Yeah. So if you guys have more questions, if I know, I can share for you for my experience. Yeah.
It's very thank Eddie sharing because he just joined 1.5 years and already become our key member and help a lot of about marketing and also competition project. Yeah, so I think we will if spend more time and we can get more. So that's why we co-create AI community and become some published paper or commercialized product for our project. Yeah.
Yeah. So I want to
Okay.
add several of our members then they have the technical background engineering. So we have a background from the technical engineer background and marketing, business development, also project management. So background is diversified. So yeah, so if you even you don't have this background, then you want to become the test survey in the future, probably this world you can use this community to boosting your skill or yeah, not just work. Yeah, so depend that your deliverables or how you say out your goals. And we also have staff member, they also part of the well-known university in Taiwan. They also are a student or master students. So they keep learning because they want to, after the graduates, they want to have they develop their skill, they can practical using in the industries. So they thinking this is the tool to helping them to developing their skill to multiply that. My background, because I've been studying overseas for a while. I can see from my background is actual business marketing and postgraduate of advertising and communication in Australia. So yeah, so when I was coming to Taiwan, and I thinking I need to be more global person.
Yeah.
Yeah, AD,
Okay.
unfortunately, your microphone is the sound. I think I can guess 80% of the content, but I think it is really great to learn about the how the community building was made, and it's really impressive that this is a non-profit organization, and you are able to engage people from various professional background to study and together, and also manage to identify ideas to commercialize. I think the several activities you're doing really a good model that we could try to deploy for the other nonprofit community. Thank you very much for your sharing.
No problem, no problem. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, I think it's already 80 minutes since we start the presentation. And we could call it off, and we should definitely encourage all the members who have opportunity to see this presentation and consider to reach out Hsiang-Wei, and also reach out H.I.T community, think about potential partnership collaboration projects.
Yeah, very
Okay.
appreciate and very exciting about share with each other. Thank you very much.
Great.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay.
Okay,
Right.
guys.
By the way,
So
by the way, very quick.
Good day.
So have a good day. Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good day,
Thank you.
everyone. Have good.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you very much. Bye.
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 Bye.